Welcome to week 15. Baby is about the size of a navel orange, roughly 4 inches and 2.5 ounces. Baby's legs now outmeasure his arms, and he can move all of his joints and limbs. It's safe to assume he's squirming and wiggling away, though you likely don't feel it and probably won't until week 16, so don't worry. Now, you might experience more nosebleeds due to an increase in your blood volume. Your gums and teeth might also feel funny. Chalk it all up to the hormones. It's really important to brush and floss gently twice a day and consider switching to a softer toothbrush. Pay a visit to your dentist actually early on in your pregnancy for a checkup, but no x-rays. By now, you've probably gained about 5 pounds, but remember, every pregnancy and every bump is different. Enjoy some of these.